In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the YouTube recap is not working or it's not showing up and how we can fix this on your iPhone. So let's get started. So as you can see, the YouTube has rolled out this particular one that called recap, which is right now available for me. As you can see, this is what I'm trying to use for all this. This is the YouTube recap. So if that is not available in a case, what you need to do? First of all, what you need to do is you just need to make sure this is actually rolling out on daily basis to all the users. That doesn't mean it will not pop up in your case if you're trying right now. It may get you down the road. After that, also you can parallel check here that you have to go over here on the YouTube, and what you need to do is just wait. You just need to go over here in the profile icon over here. What you need to do is, if you don't find this particular banner here, you just need to tap on the profile icon over here for twice like this. So it will appear in most cases and you can just watch it from here, and that is what you have to do. Or not, what you need to do is, it's not showing up, you just need to go over here, search on your Safari like I did. You have to search here on the Safari for www.youtube.com/recap. So that is going to take you to this, and you have to tap on the library. That will also bring you the YouTube recap over here like this. As you can see, it says some of my interest and past year, all of your interest and all those things will be showing here. And also, apart from this, after trying these two steps, if it's not showing, the issue is not with the YouTube. You have to know that you might need to update your YouTube app. So just go over here in the App Store. Now once you get into the App Store, you have to go over here in the search. Now what you need to do is just need to type here YouTube. You have to type here. And also, if you have any kind of update here for YouTube, you just need to tap on the update, and you have to update it, then you have to check. So these are the 3 steps. And also make sure one more thing, the very first thing which I said in the starting of video, it is actually rolling out to everyone on a daily basis. So even after trying this, if it's still not popping up in a case, you don't have to worry on this. It may comes around in the next day or any other day. So you just need to keep in mind the YouTube is implementing this update or this features to everyone on a daily basis. So you can try these steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.